My name is Katharina Richter. I am a researcher at the University of Adelaide, developing novel treatments to halt the global rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. These so-called superbugs are a major threat to human health, and they cause about 700,000 deaths every year. Collaborating with scientists and with clinicians, my goal is to bring novel treatments from bench to bedside, therefore actively improving healthcare for Australians. It is very exciting to see my work applied in clinical practice. During the 3 years of my PhD, I actually developed 2 treatments which are already in clinical trials. That's very cool. I received a top-up scholarship from the Florey Medical Research Foundation, which allowed me to attend a conference in the US. At this conference, I met a stellar researcher from Europe who is not only my collaborator but also my mentor ever since. By working in my mentor's lab, I learned new techniques and generated lots of data, which was the foundation for initiating a clinical trial. One of the treatments I developed is a gel that contains 2 compounds to fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria. The gel is applied in the sinuses and it works by first starving superbugs and then feeding them the equivalent of poisonous chocolate. So bacteria basically starve and die. It is unlikely that bacteria develop resistance to that treatment just because we are targeting bacterial food pathways, which is a totally different mechanism of action compared to antibiotics. Therefore, also bacteria that are already resistant to antibiotics might be susceptible to our treatment. I found that is very, very effective against golden staph, which is causing chronic sinus infections. So for sinusitis sufferers, this is giving people hope.